Welcome to Eggy Pal EDU. I hope this helps learners learn and educators teach better. Last time we practiced -3. -3 means -1 3 times. Let's try again. 10 minus 3 equals 7. 9 minus 3 equals 6. 8 minus 3 equals 5. 7 minus 3 equals 4. 6 minus 3 equals 3. 5 minus 3 equals 2. 4 minus 3 equals 1. 3 minus 3 equals 0. 2 minus 2 equals 0. 1 minus 1 equals 0. Good work. Today we will learn -4. Let's learn about 4 minus 1 first. 4 alsigs minus 1 alsig equals 3 alsigs. 4 minus 1 equals 3. Next, let's learn about 4 minus 2. 4 alsigs minus 2 alsigs equals 2 alsigs. 4 minus 2 equals 2. Now let's learn about 4 minus 3. 4 alsigs minus 3 alsigs equals 1 alsig. 4 minus 3 equals 1. Last, let's learn about 4 minus 4. 4 alsigs minus 4 alsigs equals nothing. 4 minus 4 equals 0. -4 means -1 4 times. Next, let's learn 10 minus 4. What is 10 minus 4? 10 equals 6 plus 4 and 4 minus 4 equals 0. Remember, 10 minus 4 equals 10 minus 4. 10 minus 4 equals 6 plus 4 minus 4. Look at the red 4 minus 4. 10 minus 4 equals 6 plus 0. What is 6 plus 0? Yes, 6! 10 minus 4 equals 6. 10 minus 4 equals 6. 10 minus 4 equals 6. Then what is 9 minus 4? 9 equals 5 plus 4, and 4 minus 4 equals 0. Remember, 9 minus 4 equals 9 minus 4. 9 minus 4 equals 5 plus 4 minus 4. Look at the red 4 minus 4. 9 minus 4 equals 5 plus 0. What is 5 plus 0? Yes, 5! 9 minus 4 equals 5. 9 minus 4 equals 5. 9 minus 4 equals 5. Let's try one more. What is 8 minus 4? 8 equals 4 plus 4 and 4 minus 4 equals 0. Remember, 8 minus 4 equals 8 minus 4. 8 minus 4 equals 4 plus 4 minus 4. Look at the red 4 minus 4. 8 minus 4 equals 4 plus 0. What is 4 plus 0? Yes, 4. 8 minus 4 equals 4. 8 minus 4 equals 4. 8 minus 4 equals 4. Do you see a pattern? 10 minus 4 equals 6. 9 minus 4 equals 5. 8 minus 4 equals 4. 7 minus 4 equals 3. 6 minus 4 equals 2. 5 minus 4 equals 1. 4 minus 4 equals 0. 3 minus 3 equals 0. 2 minus 2 equals 0. 1 minus 1 equals 0. Great job. Minus 4 means minus 1 4 times. Next time we will learn minus 5. 5 minus 5 equals 0. Remember, you will need this next time. This video builds mathematical structure. But motivation and curiosity come from great teaching. That part belongs to you. See you next time. Bye-bye.